Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, I welcome you all to the subject digital image processing. We are with chapter number 4 where we are having the methods for the improvement of visualization of the image so that the human visualization perception is concerned. So here we term these all methods as the image enhancement methods, and as far as the processing to obtain such better visualized images are there, we are working onto the image plane itself. Generally we represent the images by f of xy. So xy representing the pixel location or the two spatial coordinates for this particular two-dimensional image data. So here we have image enhancement in spatial domain. So to have understanding of this particular image enhancement in spatial domain, we first of all have gone through the topic basics of intensity transformations and spatial filtering. So we have the input image which is to be enhanced with its visualization quality to obtain the output image. So in this particular process, if we are working to obtain the new intensity value for a pixel by concerning only the input pixel intensity at the same location, we say it is intensity transformation. And in this family we have gone through the topics like image negatives, log transformation, power law transformation, the contrast adjustment. So for these particular topics we have gone through the practical demonstrations with the help of MATLAB software for brightness enhancement, suppression, image negatives, and these particular topics what we have listed just now. The second principal area in this particular chapter is the spatial filtering. For determination of new intensity value, we are concerned with the neighborhood pixel intensities of the original image also. So that time we call it filtering, and onto the spatial domain, hence spatial filtering. Now in this particular family of image enhancement method, next topic we shall discuss, that is intensity level slicing. As we know, into the image we have suppose 8-bit environment, the total number of gray levels are 0 to 255, and in that particular range if you like to highlight a particular range of gray levels, so that time the processing we shall say that is intensity level slicing. So here we begin with the topic. So the topic is intensity level slicing in the chapter image enhancement in spatial domain. So this is a prototype of digital image processing for better understanding after image acquisition. So to talk about intensity level slicing, see, it is highlighting a specific range of gray levels into the image which is often desired in few of the applications. Applications which include the enhancing the features of the image, such as for example we can say the masses of the water into the satellite imagery that the missions are intended to find, and also enhancing the flaws into the X-ray images. We should have the intensity level slicing by highlighting the specific range of gray levels. So there are several ways of doing this particular slicing, and but most of them are the variations into the two basic themes that we are going to discuss. So the two approaches we can say, the first approach is actually to display the high values for the intended gray levels and the low value for the all other gray levels that are not intended or not of the interest. So in that particular first approach, the transformation we can see into the image onto the next slide, we obtain a binary image. So discarding or making the gray levels at lower intensities that are not of interest and highlighting the interested range of gray levels will certainly separate out the gray levels into two logic levels, and we shall obtain the binary image in this case. Next, the second approach or the second theme for having the intensity level slicing we can discuss here. So this is actually based onto the transformation we shall see into the figure B, and here the brightening of the desired range of gray levels is of course done, but with the preservation of the background. So background is actually the gray levels that are not of that much interest. So the gray levels that are not into our interest are maintained with the original values, and the interested gray levels are highlighted. So in this we are not separated with the only two logic levels, hence the background into the image is preserved. So these are the two approaches. So now on to the next slide we shall see four parts of the image. So first part and second part just now we have discussed, and in part C we shall have the grayscale image, and the part D we shall show the result of transformation of intensity slicing for the original image in part A. So here we have this particular diagram and we have the nomenclature to these four parts. So see here, this is part A. This is actually the transformation graph. So the transformation is usually between the input or the original image gray levels that we generally represent by small r. So these are actually mapped onto the horizontal axis. So right from 0 to capital L minus 1 we can have them, and onto the output side we can have this vertical axis mapped again from 0 to capital L minus 1. So into the input gray levels we are interested to have highlight of the gray levels right from point A to point B. So you can see the nature of this particular graph. These have been highlighted, and whatever in between them it was there, so they have been reduced to low levels. So a high level and low level, these only two levels are possible into the output image. So this shall definitely result into the binary image. Now the second case, if you talk about, this is actually the transformation of the second approach. So this particularly preserves all other levels that are not intended or not of the interest. So here actually we wanted to enhance the levels for the range A to B. So we have enhanced them to the higher level, but all other levels we have kept at original levels. So this particular function represented S is equal to capital T in bracket R represents this particular transformation for intensity level slicing. So these are the concerned two approaches, the graphical representation of transformation we have seen. And this is the part C where we see the original image, and after having the intensity transformation, or the sometimes intensity transformation is also referred to as gray level slicing, not only the intensity level slicing. So the result for the original image by this particular approach we can obtain like this, a binary image. So this was intensity level slicing. By the next lecture we shall be having a simple practical demonstration for intensity level slicing using the MATLAB programming. So we shall be first of all reading the image, and we shall be deciding how much range to be selected for highlighting the labels, and we shall be working on to the both approaches. We shall change the input images into that particular program and see the result onto different kind of images. So I hope you understand the topics of digital image processing for image enhancement purpose. If you like to have more details into the subject digital image processing, you can subscribe to Ekeeda channel. Thank you.